left hand on the ball. Yeah, you're like me. You got to think about it. That one. Okay, look in the mirror. All right. Now, I'm going to be doing something with your drummer. I'm not going to turn on yet. You're fine. Okay. Step that face this way. Okay, so with your left hand on the ball, I want you to use your right hand and try and catch some bubbles when I blow them at you. You're not going to get a shot, I promise. When I allow you to try.
Just once.
You ready? You sure? Okay, here we go. Keep your hand on them. You won't get shots, I promise. As long as you don't let go. If you let go, you'll get shots.
Trevor, put your hand
back on there.
You won't.
You won't.
Put your hand on it. Don't take your hand off. It'll teach you to listen.
I'm going to turn it on. It's on. You better not let go.
Keep your hand on it. Let go, let go.
Stuck.
Don't let go.
You're fine, you're fine. I'm going to catch bubbles. You're going to be fine. You're
What was a
going
good
to
coach? They can get you.
They're all coming to you.
Catch them.
Now what are they doing? They're going away. So why do you think that's happening? Well, I'll tell you, it has to do with all that electricity around you. It's surrounding your body,
He's nervous.
causing them to attract you. Last one.
Catch it, Trevor.
Oh, I liked you. Now, I'll go. Tell me if you feel it. Look in the mirror. You volunteered for it. What does it feel like? Feels like wind? Very good. What you're feeling is called atomic wind. Since you're touching that ball, you're getting a negative charge in your whole body. Now what I'm doing with this, since it's grounded, is I'm taking away some of that negative. So the molecules around you are now very confused. They're whacking into you.
He's confused.
Okay, wait. Let go. Ta-da!